Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be just doing my makeup on camera for you guys. It's bothering me, like my hair has like a crimp on this side because I was letting my daughter play in my hair earlier and it's bothering me so bad in this video. But anyways, that's not what this is about. I'm just doing my makeup for you guys. I was trying to talk to you guys, so I don't know if I'm gonna let this be a voiceover. I don't know, that might bother you guys because I'm gonna be talking in the video, so I don't know. However this video is going to go, I hope you guys enjoy it. I am doing my makeup, just a simple, you know, type of look. I'm super tired tonight, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys pause and go hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified anytime that I upload a video so you don't miss out. Follow me on Instagram at It's Jasmine Marie. I have the name here. And yeah, comment down below if you guys are new and say hi, and let's just jump right into it, you guys. So I'm starting off doing, I already did my eyebrows because that takes so long, so I wanted to get that out the way. And I'm gonna go into priming my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. And I'm basically just putting this in my T-zone because this is where my makeup typically moves. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. It smells like a watermelon candy. Like, it smells so good. It's all over my face, but this is where I want my makeup to actually, you know, last and stick. Well, where it tends to move. It smells so good. I feel like I'm eating. I feel like I'm putting a candy on my face. You guys, my skin has been doing pretty good, but I cut my hair again yesterday too, you guys. It just, this piece is a little curly, so, or it has like a crimp in it, so that's why, but my hair is all one length. But I cut it again yesterday just because I was like, whenever I'm feeling kind of like anxious or something, I'm like, let me cut my hair. Just cut your hair. So, okay, that is into my skin. I really do like that primer. So I'm gonna move on to foundation, and the foundation that I'm using today, we're gonna use our NARS Naturally Radiant foundation. This is the shade Punjab. So I'm just going to dot this on my face. I'm going to take my Instapop cheek brush by Real Techniques and blend this out. I love this foundation, and you guys, this primer, it's pretty much the same exact thing. I think I mentioned this in my last video. It's pretty much the same. I think I said in my last video, but it's the exact same thing as the Milk primer. I normally don't put this much foundation on my forehead either. So if you guys are looking for a dupe, I would definitely recommend going to try this out, and it's, y'all, it's $20 cheaper than the Milk primer. Now, don't get me wrong, Milk, I love that one. I do, but this one is super affordable and it smells like a candy, so I really do enjoy that. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this foundation in. And I will say, I have been going out into the sun, I've been getting a lot of sun lately. So I have a little baby tan right now, which is why my face looks like casket ready, but I'm going to warm it up and make sure, you know, I'm gonna make sure that it's not looking so Casper like. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Maybelline Matte and Poreless, the shade 330, and I'm going to cream contour, and this is obviously a foundation. I like using foundations because I feel like it just blends out super nice. So to do so, I'm going to take, this is a BH Cosmetics number 4 brush, and I'm just tapping some onto the brush and just placing this right onto the skin. And it's really a light contour color for me, but I feel like it just gives me the perfect like warmth that I'm looking for. So basically when I do this step, I just kind of just press it into my skin So I kind of do like a sweeping motion where I want it, and then I just press it. So, but I'm going to highlight, so don't be like, girl, what are you doing? This is just how I add the color back into my skin, and I am gonna blend this down my neck as well, on my jawline. My foundation brush and go over everything. So don't worry, this is just like what I do. I know it looks kind of crazy, but this is what I do before I blend everything together. It's okay, it's okay. So then I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush.
Mom, my food's mom.
Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go in with my, oh, and what I did was just take my foundation brush that I used and I just went over the contour, and as you guys can see, it looks nice and blended. So now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, shade Light Beige. And I like this concealer because it is a yellow toned, like a yellow undertoned concealer. And I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques setting brush. Hi Remy, I really like this brush to set my concealer and to blend out my concealer. So that's what I'm going to do. My concealer, what I've been doing is keeping it on the apples of like the high points of my cheeks. I don't bring it down here anymore. I used to do that a lot, but I just don't feel it necessary to do so. Yeah, but I'm just going to blend this out. I really want to try the Hourglass concealer. I heard that one was super good. So I wanted to talk about 30 random facts about me. Not a chit chat, but like 30 random facts about me. So for those of you guys who are new to my channel, so 30 random facts. I love this concealer, you guys. It just looks so good. For those of my new subscribers who are new here and don't really know that much about me, so I am 28 years old. I was born and raised, I'm just gonna like say some things out, I'm not really counting, but yeah, I'm 28 years old. I was born and raised in Southern California. I'm from like Moreno Valley, Riverside. Those are my parts of the woods. That's where I'm from. I moved to Arkansas, which is where I currently live, when I think I was like 14 or 15. I can't really remember. I think I was 14 or 15. I cried. I found out we were moving out of state like a month before we did, and I cried every single day up until we moved. I was devastated, like heartbroken. Okay, so yeah, that's where I'm from. I am Puerto Rican and Black. So a lot of people always try to guess like what race I am. I don't know why. And they always assume that I'm either Puerto Rican. They always guess that correctly. They always say, oh, you look Puerto Rican. I am. Or they say I look like I have some sort of Asian in me. And I don't know why. I get that a lot. Excuse me. But no. I am just Puerto Rican and Black. My dad is Puerto Rican. My mom is Black. I'm taking my Beauty Bakery setting powder and setting under my eyes. I also find that I get I get such a flawless application using a brush versus a wet sponge when I'm setting my concealer and stuff. I feel like it just looks so much better. I have never ever been to a club. Sis, like I've never been to a club, like never really wanted to go, never had a reason to go. Also, I moved to Arkansas when I was like 15, so I grew up in a small town where there really wasn't any clubs. And I mean, I was so young, like sis, what are you doing in the club? I was just not interested. So yeah, I'm just blending this out onto my face. It looks so good. Let's see, my favorite food is Mexican food. I love Mexican food, Mexican candy. A lot of people don't like Mexican candy, like around here where I live, but I just feel like you have to be, like, you have to have grown up eating that, otherwise you're just not gonna like it. It's just gonna be weird to you. But I can eat Mexican candy all day. Like, my mom went to Cali and she brought some back one day, and y'all, I was in heaven. Like, I was in heaven. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Blogger bronzer. I'm going to bronze up my face with this. I use this like as a blush and a bronzer, so because it's kind of like red tone, so I'm just pressing this into my skin like so. It's super cute. So I have 3 kids. I have 2 girls and a boy. I had my first child when I was 19 years old. I'm still with her father. We are married. We have 2 girls and a boy. Yeah. I've never been on a plane. This is kind of hard thinking of things that I haven't done. I mean, I haven't done a lot, but you know. I'm gonna also put this on my forehead. Like I said, it's kind of like red undertone a little bit. Well, actually, you guys can't really tell on camera, but it looks good. I've never been on an airplane. I've never been out the country. Y'all, my life is seriously boring. Like, I'm not even joking. What I like to do is, after I do all my makeup steps, I like to, or each time I add a new makeup application, I just go over with my foundation brush to kind of blend everything out. So yeah. I'm also going to contour my nose, but for that, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in Toffee. What else is interesting about me? Oh, I don't like things that crawl, you guys. I hate anything that crawls. It just gives me the heebie-jeebies. Like, I cannot. Grasshoppers, it don't matter what it is. Anything that's crawling, hopping, whatever, like, I cannot. Frogs, I don't like frogs. And let me tell you, there was one on my kitchen counter like a month ago and I lost it. Don't ask me how I got in my house. I have no idea. All I know is that it was in my house. And I flipped the hell out for about 2 seconds. I cannot have any more children. That's a fact about me. That's a good fact. Like, I don't want any more kids. Well, I don't know, because sometimes I say I don't want any more kids, but then I'm like, I get baby fever. But no, I really don't want, I don't really want any more kids, you guys. Like, that ship has sailed. Yeah. So yeah, okay, so now I'm gonna move on to eyes. I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna take my Amrezy palette. Actually, I'm gonna take that same Toffee bronzing powder, and I'm just gonna run that in my crease just to have something on my eyelid, so it doesn't look just bare on my eyes. This is what I do when I don't want to do any shadow. Just kind of need something there. But yeah, okay, so I'm a very shy person, like super shy. I don't like being the center of attention. I just kind of lay low because I'm a loner at heart. I'm a homebody. I have 2 sisters. Oh, actually, I have 1 brother and 1 sister from the same mother. And then I don't even know, you guys. I have other sisters and brothers too, but honestly. So yeah, I'm super shy. I love to sing. A lot of people don't know that about me, because it's not like I'm just running around singing all the time, but I love to sing. Music is like one of my favorite things. Like I love to just listen to music all day, and I like music that like has meaning and that like you can sing to. I don't really listen to rap, although here lately I have been loving Nicki Minaj. Like I've been doing my thing with Nicki Minaj, but other than that, like I like R&B songs that I can sing. I like Leighton Green. I've been listening to her a lot. Tiana Taylor's new album is a bop. I love that album. Who else? Like I love music. Whenever I'm just like in a bad mood or just want, and I like music that has nothing to do with anything. Like I like heartbreak music. My husband's always like, you act like you going through this. I'm like, I'm not, but I still love it. I'm just lining my eyes with this e.l.f. black liner because I'm gonna add some lashes. This is like a super random, I just wanted to get on here and chat type of video. Comment below some questions. Maybe I could do like a Q&A for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna put on my lashes, you guys. The lashes that I'm gonna be wearing are super cute. I'm actually testing out some lashes, so stay tuned for that. They're super cute. They have like the perfect like curl. Super cute. I actually wore them in my last video. I'll be right back. I'm going to apply my lashes and I'll hop back on. All right, you guys, I got my lashes on. Let me take off this. I be having my AirPods in. I don't even be knowing. I'm going to apply my lip liner, and then I'm going to apply my highlighter, because actually you guys know I have not been wearing highlighter lately. So yeah, so the lip liner that I'm using, this is a Nicka K pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. I'm just going to line my lips with this. I'm taking NYX Shy Timid. Aaliyah J actually put me onto this like years ago. I think she still uses it in her recent videos, but I'm just taking this. Like so. It's cute. It's like a pinky nude. I stopped using it for a while just because I was using something else. I think doing this is better than just like rubbing your lips together. I feel like it blends it out. Almost like in an ombre look. In the center of my lips, I'm taking Morphe Flower Crown. This is like my fave. So that's what I'm doing for my lips, you guys. And for highlighter, I'm going to take my NARS High Voltage and barely, I'm just gonna do my nose. I haven't been applying highlighter lately, and I've been liking the way that this looks a lot better. So, you know, the fun thing about makeup is you can switch it up. Sometimes you like to do things and sometimes you don't. And also, I don't really do anything on the bottom of my lash line, you guys. So I'm gonna take these clips out my hair and end this video because I'm tired and my camera is okay, you guys. So this is the finished makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I know my energy was like super low, but it's okay. We're gonna come back tomorrow and film some more videos for you guys. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.